In the name of God. Hello dears, my name is Ahmad Rahmati Alai, PhD in Mechanical Engineering from Iran University of Science and Technology. In this course, I want to teach you the simulation and numerical modeling of engineering problems using powerful software named LS-DYNA. I want to teach you this software in a smooth and practical way. At the first, I want to answer the three questions. What are the CAD, CAM, and CAE software for the engineer? Second question, what are the features and application of LS-DYNA software? And the third question, educational resource for the LS-DYNA, like books, videos, websites, etc. In the engineering, we have the three category softwares: CAD, computer aided design, and CAE, computer aided engineering, and CAM, computer aided manufacturing. Design, engineering, manufacturing. Let's go to the CAD software. These softwares are used for the two-dimensional design of the industrial parts. You can see the frequent and most used software such as SolidWorks, AutoCAD, CATIA, Inverter, and the CAE software. These software are based the engineering theories such as finite element method, FEM, finite difference method, FDM, computational fluid dynamics, CFD, etc. You can see the frequently used software in the CAE category such as Abacus, ANSYS, Fluent, especially LS-DYNA software, etc. Compared to the CAD software, this software need the engineering knowledge based on numerical calculation such as FEM, FDM, and CFD. In the category of CAE software, you can simulate many problems using the finite element method, such as buckling analysis, modal, heat transfer, thermal, fatigue, composite, and many other problems in the category of linear and nonlinear analysis. And the last category of engineering software is related to the most important CAM software, computer aided manufacturing. Among the most important industrial machines that use this software for their own production are CNC lathe and milling machines. And the two most important software in this classification are Power Mill and Mastercam software. Therefore, to produce an industrial part, three categories of software are needed in the production process: CAD, CAE, and CAM software, design, engineering, and manufacturing. Which software require a lot of experience and practice to become expert in each of these. Now, let's go to the powerful LS-DYNA software. What are the features and application of LS-DYNA? LS-DYNA is a set of numerical code for the analysis of engineering problems. These problems can be classified as static, quasi-static, or dynamic in time domain. It can also be linear or non-linear in the field of material model behavior, boundary condition, and loading. Note, the basic theory of LS-DYNA software is finite element method FEM. Besides this numerical method, there are other methods such as smooth particle hydrodynamic SPH and element-free Galerkin EFG in LS-DYNA. LS-DYNA software at a glance. The background theories of LS-DYNA are finite element, smooth particle hydrodynamic or SPH, and other theories, computational methods such as Lagrangian, Eulerian, arbitrary Lagrangian, Eulerian, implicit and explicit solvers. Type of problem of LS-DYNA in a time domain: dynamic, static, quasi-static. The nature of problems may be nonlinear or linear in the material behavior, boundary condition, or loading. And finally, the name of the software, which has undergone change over time from Dyna 3D, LS-DYNA 3D to its current name, LS-DYNA. The company of LS-DYNA is LSTC, Livermore Software Technology Corporation, in the United States. In 1987, Dr. Johnson Hallquist invented the LS-DYNA software and founded the LSTC company, which you can see in the right of the picture. The use of LS-DYNA software is not only limited to the one of the engineering field, but I can say that it covers the most engineering fields such as mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, automotive engineering, railway, civil, mining, metallurgical engineering, biomechanical engineering, and the military usage for the engineers. Well, now I want to go to an interesting topic, and that is the application of LS-DYNA in reality. I will review example of simulation from LS-DYNA for physical phenomena. You can see in this picture vehicle crash with rigid wire by LS-DYNA software, dummy and seat belt in braking simulation. You can simulate fluid behavior by LS-DYNA, such as fluid slushing in tank, and simulate large deformation material like stones. Then, vehicle crash box folding, and bullet penetration in steel target. Fluid solid interactions, FSI simulation. You can see water cylinder impact. Wheel rail contact simulation by LS-DYNA, moving in straight or curved track. And the SPH method, the smooth particle hydrodynamic, you can see bullet penetration in water bottle simulation. Then the military usage of LS-DYNA, shaped charge penetration in concrete, underwater explosion, air explosion under vehicle, and explosive forming by LS-DYNA software. Then, LS-DYNA is most used in automotive companies such as Honda, Hyundai, Toyota, Ford, Dodge, BMW companies. Let's go to educational resources for LS-DYNA. I will start from book and manuals. The first book is Nonlinear Dynamic Analysis using LS-DYNA software. Author Dr. Ahmed Rahmati Alai, Dr. Majid Shahrawi. Publisher Danish Bunyad. Language Persian. The second book is LS-DYNA for Engineer, a practical tutorial book. Author Ryan Lee. Publisher BW Publication. Language English. And the second file is the manual of LS-DYNA. LS-DYNA Keyword User Manual. Publisher LSTC. Language English. Let's go to the websites for the LS-DYNA software. The first website is the official website of the LSTC company, LS-DYNA.ansys.com. Second website, support for software user and answer to the frequently asked question, dynasupport.com. dynaexamples.com, basic example in different section for users. dynalook.com, conference paper that includes specialized simulation with LS-DYNA. Free paper is prepared for all users. ftp.lstc.com/user, download software modules and other practical training. Launchmore.jp, a lot of animation examples of simulation with the LS-DYNA.